Hi girls and boys, it's Mrs. Barber. We are moving on to three-dimensional shapes. And we are on page 759. So three-dimensional shapes, I think there's a definition here, is a shape with length, width, and height. So they look like this. A two-dimensional circle turns into a sphere, right? A two-dimensional square is now a cube, kind of like an ice cube if you have square cubes. Pyramid, cone, cylinder. This one reminds me of like a soup can or a soda can, and a rectangular prism. So we take a look at these real quick because we're going to look for them. I circled a few. The directions here say circle all the three-dimensional shapes. There's a rectangular prism, there's a sphere, here's a pyramid. This one's actually a rectangular prism, the table, because it has a drawer. We cannot circle this, that's two-dimensional. We cannot do any of these, two-dimensional. We can do that one. That's it. Hold on. Cylinder. Mrs. Barber lost the words. Here's a rectangular prism. Here's a sphere. This is pretty much a cylinder. This one looks super flat, so two-dimensional. Although I would argue that because some carpets are thicker than an inch, then it really would be three-dimensional. So then when you go over here, if you use all these words, sphere, cube, pyramid, cone, cylinder, rectangular prism, that's how you spell them. So you shouldn't get anything wrong, but you need to use those words sometimes. It says right here, write the name of the shape and then circle all the other objects that are the same shape. So this is a rectangular prism. And then you would circle this one and this one. And you would do rectangular prism. So then we're going to finish follow the directions 760, 761, 762, 763, and 764.